What's up, everybody? I just got on the bike. I just came from voting, and then my stupid kickstand is down. Now I'm cranking it back up so we can go on this little ride. I'm overdubbing the audio on this video in case anybody wonders, because my microphone in my helmet was not hooked up right or something. I don't even know who I voted for, honestly. I just voted. We're gonna go for a little cruise before it starts raining. I am riding the 2006 Suzuki Gsxr 750. It's one of my two bikes. I also have a 2005 Hayabusa, but I like this one for its light nimbleness and quick takeoff. I have an upgraded rear sprocket. I don't know what the sprocket in the front is. I haven't looked at it yet, but the rear one's 2 teeth over. It's 47 tooth. I have Two Brothers exhaust on it. Yesterday I did the rectifier relocation kit and had to slightly modify the way it was installed. But it seems to be working good. It's keeping it cool. It's not getting hot from the exhaust now. Passing my mother's house. Going down the road. Yeah, I'm over here trying to talk, but the mic isn't working for some reason. I really like how this bike cruises. It's easy to maintain low speed if needed. The Hayabusa, on the other hand, it tends to want to go faster than I really want it to sometimes. But that bike's easy to handle as well. It's not crazy. Yeah, yesterday we also noticed that my right rear set is bent. It was like that when I got it, apparently. I just never noticed until my friend saw it and said, "Your peg's bent." So we're about to go up here, and I'm going to pull over and try to give y'all a visual of how bad it is. It's not terrible. You can hear me mumbling in the background. I don't even remember what I was talking about. So anyway, I went ahead and ordered another rear set to replace that one. It was around $50 off eBay, but it matches the one that's on there. Kind of lets me know the bike was dropped at one point on that side, and that's not necessarily a deal breaker, but I really wish I had known before I bought it. I could have knocked a couple $100 off the price. But overall, I'm totally happy with this bike. We're gonna pull in here to the parking lot. Gas is $50 a gallon, but I'll probably leave it running the whole time. Anyway, there, you see how it's bent? It's kind of crooked. And then we got that one is straight. And we're trying to give you a visual of both. It's hard to see with the camera, but that one's kind of bent. So it must have fell over. And we got different bolts on that one side also. I never noticed that until yesterday. And I like how I talk with my hands. But that is a good looking bike, I think. And I'm talking about, that's the side that I laid over in one of the other videos I put on TikTok. I kind of stalled and the bike, I was turning left and the bike stalled and I kind of went down, but it didn't hurt anything. I have a frame slider. It didn't even scratch anything. It was pretty good. Yep. And then that was because I didn't have the kickstand up. I have a bad habit of doing that. So now if I would just shut up and go, I talk too much sometimes. Oh, I'm talking about doing another video. I'm going to do a rant video on buying bikes off of Facebook Marketplace, because I have looked for several in the last year or two, and half the ones that I want to go look at, they don't have the title, or they have an open title, or something screwed up about the registration on it, or it's tied up with a bank, and in order to make that purchase you have to work around their schedule, or they have to work around your schedule, because I don't think it's a good idea to purchase a bike without title in hand at the time of the money transfer. Someone could really screw you like that. Now I don't know what I'm rambling about. I talk a lot. There's a school I never went to, but that used to be a different school, and they tore it down and built a building like 40 times bigger. So I'm probably going to cut off my narration at this point, and you guys can just watch the rest of the video. And please subscribe. This would really help. I would like to make this a hobby that actually pays for itself at some point, where I can also buy other bikes to test ride and do all that. But anyway, everybody have a good day. Thank you for watching. And we will see y'all later. because the seller doesn't understand how the system works.